Back for part 4 of the Memphis Housing Authority. Just picked up 10,000 feet of Cat 6 from my supplier, Bluff City Electronics. Now time to head to the job site. Let's get it. Got all the cable unloaded and moved the open boxes from the IDF I finished in part 3. Today I'm going to be starting a new IDF inside this blue line. It has 14 cable runs that are going to be coming off it. And here is the rack that we're going to be working with today. And the plan of attack is to set the boxes up here, and I'm going to go over outside this room and put a sleeve going through this wall right here. Got the service loop up there, nice and tidy. Coming down into the rack, nice and secure. And I'm going to be placing the patch panel right here when it comes time to terminate. So I'll just go ahead and leave these here for now.